Hello everyone, it's Coach Cahill here. Today we're going to play a game called Laundry Slam 21. I have two laundry baskets here, but you can also use boxes or buckets or anything similar in size. I also have a disc and a ball. We're going to play two different versions of this game, but they both have the same rules. The reason it's called Laundry Slam 21 is because you and a partner are working together to score 21 points first. So we're going to show you how to set it up. The first thing you're going to do is set your distance. To start, we're going to go 5 paces apart, so we stand back to back, and we're going to walk 5 paces apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the basket down. This is how the distance of our game. Now, if you're an advanced thrower or you can throw a frisbee really well, you can make it bigger or shorter depending on your ability. All right, so we're going to show you how to play with the frisbee and the ball. There are 4 ways to score points. 1, if my partner throws it over and I deflect it with my open hand into the side of the bucket, okay, without it hitting the ground. So it deflects my hand, hits here, that's a 1-pointer. If he throws it and I deflect it and it goes in, that's a 2-pointer. Now I have to be careful because if it's gonna directly hit the bucket without me deflecting it, I'm gonna let that happen because that's a 3-pointer. So if it hits the side without me touching it, 3-pointer. If he throws it directly in, that's a 4-pointer. And our points are gonna accumulate. So then I would go and he would do the same thing. If you're playing with a frisbee, it's the same exact thing. You're just using, it's a little more challenging because it is a frisbee. So we'll play with the ball to start. All right, so I'm gonna go first. And I'm gonna use my underhand toss. You can use underhand, overhand. I'm gonna step with my opposite foot and I'm gonna try to toss it in. He deflected it in, so that's a 1-pointer. So we have 1 point. Now I'm gonna be ready. I let it go, so that's a 4-pointer. So we would have 5 points. Now if you were playing with a frisbee, same thing, open hand to deflect. I'm still trying to hit it or get it in. I toss, and that hit the top, so that is a 1-pointer. Deflected his hand in the top. Now it's my turn. Oh, same thing. Deflected my hand, hit it, that's a 1-pointer. Again, you can change the distance, shorter, longer, work on underhand toss, overhand toss, lots of different options. You can also play this competitively. If you get your parents involved, you can play 2 versus 2 and play the first to 21 wins, okay? So you'd have another competitor on my side here, he would have a competitor on his side, and you would take turns shooting and going. That's Laundry Basket Slam 21. I hope you enjoy it.